Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bag unboxing. I am going to be showing you and unboxing my newest Gucci purchase. I'm very excited, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's the show on the road. You obviously seen from the title of this video what it is, so let's look at it together. So it comes in this big massive bag, and it's quite heavy, like strutting around the street with a bag, and then I looked like I looked like I was balling all together. So it comes in this dust bag, and it's like a silky bag. And then, how fancy, not only does it come in the fancy dust bag, but by God, it's wrapped in another one. A slightly less fancier one, granted. But like a big, massive yoke. And I got like a new one, a fresh one. A fresh from the stock room. So it's like wrapped up in all this goodness. And by God, it was really wrapped. Because I've unwrapped this because I had to show I had bought it, and then my mum came into Grand's house and she's like, what did you buy? What's in that box? And so when we went back to the hotel, I like done the real life unboxing there. So this is just a reenactment, and like just imagine me going like, oh, isn't it beautiful? So this is it. This is it. I have more. Let me take away all this. It was all wrapped up in this lovely stuff. So this is the Gucci Dionysus. Have I said that right? Dionysus? I think it's Dionysus. I think that's how I'm saying it. I don't think I'm butchering that at all. Look at, isn't she beautiful? This is in the size medium on the website, but when you're in the shop they'll tell you this is large. This is the largest size, but I'll be linking the website. It says medium. It's so bloody confusing. I was like, I want to see the medium and I want to see the small, and then your one in the shop was like, you want to see like the small, like the wallet on chain, small, and I was like, no, I want to see the small, which she says was the medium, and the medium, which they're saying is the large. But on the website they had to like double check on this. Is on the website this says it's the medium, but it's really a large. But anyway, I was torn between this one and the next size down, because on the website and on different things it showed that like there wasn't much of a difference, and when I say like there is definitely a big difference. So the medium large, let's call this, I don't know, let's just say it's medium. It's the biggest one, right? So the next one down is like, if you cut this all off, it's much less square. I don't know, is it coming through on the camera how like the medium would like cut across here, like it would just be rectangular. This is more square. It looked funny, and like the girl that served me was so nice, and like she was saying definitely that this was the one to go for, and like it's, you can wear this more you can wear this like fancy and casual, where the small one, or the medium, the real life medium but the website small, is more like not every day. Like you couldn't really wear it, well you could wear it every day, but it looked like you should be going like somewhere, like even she said it looks like you should be going to like a wedding or like more of an evening, whereas this is more of a everyday. So you can wear it like this, or you can wear it like this. I had like, oh, even the outfit I wore the day I looked so cool. It's quite weighty, I'm not gonna lie. It's like a workout trying to hold it up, but like my other bags are quite heavy too. Like you wouldn't believe that, like my little Louis Vuitton, like this is quite heavy. Like I'm not saying like this is way heavier than this, but like when I fit this filled up, It's almost as heavy as this, which it's not great because I have to put everything in that's made of heavy into this. But it's a sacrifice I think any girl is willing to make. Silver hardware, brown suede on the back pocket and on the sides. Then it has this like a tiger heads, which is really cool. I thought these were actually really hard to open, but they're not. So you push in and then you flip up. See that this little push thing here? So you push that and then you flip up. And then on the inside, let me get rid of the padding. On the inside, it's two big boxes. On the inside, it's two big compartments with a zip, and the inside is it's like suede. So everywhere that there's suede on the side, that's canvas on this side, and everywhere that's canvas is suede. So it's kind of reversed on the inside. So it's a big back compartment, then a zipper, and the zipper has all the Gucci stuff. The zipper is canvas on the inside, so you could put like, I see loads of people put like their perfumes and like hand sanitizers, because you know, corona times. And then what I never knew is when you lift up this flap, because this is the little bit that shows, you lift up this, it's really hard to show you, there's like a little pocket in there as well. How nice if you put something in there. So that's that. Will we see what fits? Let's. I have this beside me, it's a glasses case. I'm just going to put that in. Why am I putting things in so awkwardly? Then I have a little pouch with like headaches. A pouch with headaches in it. No, I have a pouch with headache tablets. Then some hand sanitizer. Let's keep that in the middle, shall we? Then some tissues. A Gucci perfume. This is Bloom. That smells really good. Gucci Flora is also really nice, and I have another one, Gucci Bamboo, but I really like Gucci Flora. AirPods. Deodorant. Funny looking deodorant, I know. Purse. And like masks, obviously, but I don't have that handy. So, like, there's so much more room. Let's do some reorganizing and let's pop the iPad in. Look at that, my iPad fits right in there. Can you see that? She fits right in there. And I will still get everything that I had in it, including the glasses case. So you can see, like, for your sunglasses or your glasses if you're blind like me. And it all, like, you don't even have to squish that down. It just clasps closed. Look at that. Still keeping its shape. Oh my god, this is like the best. And then off I pop. Was the unboxing kind of, and what fits inside a Gucci Dionysus. I used to say dinosaur. So happy with it. I can't wait to start using it and start styling it, and I'm sure you'll see it loads more in videos and in pictures and in blog posts. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more like it, or you just enjoyed being here for this, please click a like. Oh Jesus. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, or better again, subscribe, and we'll see you around again. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little notification, and yeah, I would really appreciate it. And I really enjoyed this. This was, well, I definitely enjoyed this. I really like doing these types of videos because I know I really enjoy watching them. I really enjoy watching them, and I find them so helpful for when I go and buy things, because like it's not always a case where you can go in and see it in real life and try it on and see what it fits. Like, you know when you see like someone put up €1 to something and be like, well, this is the size of €1 and this is the size of this. I feel like that's what these videos do for me. Good luck with trying to figure out what size this bag is if I put up €1. Like, you get to see what it's like in someone's hands and like what fits inside it. Just the real life version of it, if that makes sense, in a virtual way. I don't know, I'm just rambling. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you back here again next time. Bye bye.